Good morning, dear students. Myself, T.C. Pandey from DPS Saldwani Lamachod. Students, we have started the chapter Heron's formula. What is the Heron's formula? Heron's formula is used only for finding the area of any of the scalene type of triangles. So, students, we have used this formula in exercise 12.1. That the formula was that, I think all you know well, root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. This is the formula for finding the area of the triangle, students. You can write it here, area of a triangle. So what is the meaning of S here, students? I am telling again. So S is equal to, we know that, A plus B plus C by 2. S means, students, S means the semi-perimeter of a triangle. So we know that the perimeter of a triangle is 2S. 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. And S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. This is the formula for finding the area of the triangle. So student, we have done exercise 12.1. So now student, we will start exercise 12.2. So 12.2 exercise is this one. Now student, we will start exercise 12.2. So exercise 12.2. Exercise 12.2 question number 1 is that a park in the shape of a quadrilateral shape is given that A, B, C, D has angle C is equal to 90 degree and AB is equal to this, BC is equal to this, CD is equal to this and AD is equal to this. It is given. So we have to find how much area does it occupy. Student, we have to find the area. So first we have to make the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is given that like this, A, B, C, D. This is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. And student, one thing is given that that C point is 90 degree. So we have make a straight line like this. So students, first what we have to find? We have to find that AB, we have to find the area and AB is given that 9 centimeter. It is given that, student, 9 centimeter. BC it is given that 12 centimeter. And CD is given that 5 centimeter. I think it is wrong. CD because because AB is 9 centimeter and CD is of 5 centimeter. So we can put D is equal to here. This must be 5 centimeter. And one more thing is given that AD. AD is given that 9 centimeter. So student, join it like this. AD is equal to 9 centimeter. So these are the things given that AB is equal to 9, BC is equal to 12 and angle C is given that 90 degree and CD is equal to 5 centimeter and DA is equal to 9 centimeter. So student, that is the question. So how we can find the area of this triangle? Because the triangles are not given here. So what we will do, student? Because this is a right angle triangle given there. So student, we can construct a line like this. Because in a right angle triangle we can find the we can't this one, we have to do this one because we know that in a right angle triangle we can use Pythagoras theorem. So student, we can find the dB. So student, what we have to write first, given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. So student, we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. So how we can find it? So first, in triangle BDC, in triangle BCD, we can write it also there, BCD. So student, what we will do it here? This is a right angle triangle. We can use the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we can write by Pythagoras theorem. We know that BD square is equal to DC square plus BC square. Pythagoras theorem is like this, that hypotenuse square, hypotenuse is the longest side, we know that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So student, we have used this formula. Now BD square, we can find the value of BD here easily. So how we can find it? BD square is equal to DC square, it is given that 5 square plus 12 square. So student, 5 square we know that 25 and 12 square is 144, that is 169. So BD square is coming, student, 169. So we have to find BD. So BD is equal to root of 169. So we can say that root of 169 is 13 centimeter. So student, we have found BD. This is coming 13 centimeter. So student, now here two triangles are here. First triangle is this one and second triangle is this one. So when we will find the area of both the triangle, we have to add it and we have to find the area of the whole triangle. We can find it easily, the area of ABCD. So student, first we will use the formula here in triangle BDC. We can write it here in triangle BDC. So area of triangle BDC. Now student, area of triangle BDC. How we can find area of triangle BDC? There are two formulas. One is the Heron's formula and second is the half into base into height. Because half into base into height is the easy one formula. Because this is a 90 angle and right angle triangle, so we can use the formula here that half into base into height. Either we can use Heron's formula also, both the answers will be same. So we are using here half into base into height. Half into base into height. So student, area of this one is base is 5 and the height is 12. 2 6 are 12. So this is coming 30 centimeter square. So student, this is coming 30 centimeter square. Now again find the area of this one in triangle. We can write it here, area of triangle DAB. So student, for finding the area of this triangle DAB, we have to find first S. So S is equal to, we can write it here, we are writing it here, 9 plus 9 plus 13 upon 2. So 9 9 18, 18 and 10 28 and 3 31 upon 2. That is coming 31 upon 2 centimeter. Now student, it is coming that one. So I think we have written it here 9. It is not, I think 9 is not there, it is 8 centimeter. So we have to change it here because it is coming in fractional form now. So I am saying that. So 8, so it is 30 upon 2. 13 upon 2 means 15 centimeter. Now student, what we have to find? We have to find the area. Area we can write it. Area is equal to root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S is here 15. S minus A is 15 minus 8, 15 minus 9 and 15 minus 13. So root 15, 15 minus 8 is 7, 15 minus 9 is 9 and 6, 15 and 2. So this is coming root 15 into 7 into 6 into 2. So student, again we can factorize it. After factorization, what we will get? 3 into 2 we can write, 3 into 5 into 7 into 3 into 2 into 2. This is coming like this. Now student, this is coming like this. So we can take again the pairs in outside. So we can write it here 2 into 3, that is 6 root 7 5 ja 35 centimeter square. It is coming student 6 root 35 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of the whole quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, we can say that area of the first triangle plus area of the second triangle. So we can write it here 13 plus 6 root 35. 6 root 35. So student, root 35 means nearby 6. So we can write it here 5 point something here. We can write it 5 point something into this 5 6 are 30. So it may be 35 or 36. 35 point something and plus 13 you can do it and you will get the answer. So either you can write it like this also. This is centimeter square. Either we can write it 35. So the square root of 35 is, we can make pair 5 5 25 because this is 35 number, so we can do it like this 5 5 25 because 36 is the larger one. This is 10 is coming. Now 5 5 is 10. We have to add it and then again we will put it here two zeros, we can take two zeros here. By pairing, we are finding it by square root method. So again, now we can write it 109 9 ja 9 9 ja 81, 8 9 1 ja 9. So it is coming 5.9 something. This is 981. Dash. So you can write it here also 13 plus 6 into 5.9. This is coming 13 plus. This is coming, student, 13 plus 6 9 ja 54, 6 5 ja 35 and 6 5 ja 35 and 5 40 like this. So student, it is coming 13 plus 6 9 ja 54 and 6 5 ja 30 and 5 35. This is coming 35.4 approximately. So student, we can write it here 13 plus 35 point, maybe the 1 point is also there, 5.9192 something. So we can take it 35.5 approximation. So the approximation value, it means when we will add it, we will get 5 and 3 8, 3 and 1 4, 48.5 centimeter square. We have found the area is coming 30. It is not 13 student, it is 30. So we can write it here. This is coming 65.5 because 13 is the side. I have written it there. So student, that one is, this is 30 plus we have added this one because we have find root 35 is equal to 5 point something. So the answer is coming 65.5 centimeter. It is not visible, student, so I am writing it here again. This is the area of the quadrilateral is coming 30 plus 35.5, that is 65.5 centimeter square. That's all. This is the question number 1, student. So answer is coming 65.5 centimeter square because the area of the first triangle we have found by with the help of half into base into height, and the area of the second triangle we have found with the help of Heron's formula. Heron's formula, again we know that s root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So we have again find the value of s here. S is coming 15. So we have put all the values here. So this one we have done, students. So this is your first question. So student, you can pause the video and note it down. Now the second question is, student, second question is same as question number 1, but we are solving it here. So first, second question is find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. We have to find in which AB is equal to 3 and BC is equal to this is given. Again, it is given that AB is equal to 3, BC is equal to, it is given that, student, 4 centimeter. It is coming, student, 3, it is 4. We know that the hypotenuse square is the base square plus perpendicular square. It may be, so it will be 5 centimeter. Again, we can find it like this. This is triangle 1 and triangle number 2. So we have to observe it. AB is equal to 3 and BC is equal to 4. It is given. It means it is a right angle triangle, because when we will find the hypotenuse, we can use the Pythagoras theorem here easily. And one more thing is given that CD is equal to 4. CD is given that, students, 4 centimeter, and DA is given that 5 centimeter. DA is given that 5 centimeter. So we can join it like this again. So after this, in triangle A, first we will find in triangle ABC. ABC, we can say that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB square is coming 3 square plus 4 square, that is 3 3 is 9 plus 4 4 is 16, that is coming 25. So we can say that AC is equal to 5 centimeter. So students, again what we have to find? We have to find the area of this whole quadrilateral. So suppose this is first triangle, this is second triangle. Again we can do it like this. In triangle ABC. Students, in triangle ABC, what we can say that area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. This is student half into base into height. So we can write it like this: half into base is 3 and height is 4. 2 2 is 4. That is coming 6 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of the second triangle. We can say it in triangle ADC. ADC student, first we have to find the value of S. So S is equal to, we can write it A plus B plus C, means 5 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2, that is coming 5 5 10 and 4 14 upon 2, that is coming 7 centimeter. So student, again we have to find the area of this triangle. So area of triangle ADC, area of triangle ADC is equal to, we can write it root S is coming 7 centimeter, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So student, we can write it root 7 minus 5 is 2, and 7 minus 4 is 3, and 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 is coming again. So student, what we have to do? We have to take 2 is the pair, root 21 centimeter square. This is coming like. So student, again it is coming root 21. We can find the root 21 here. Root 21 means we can make the pair. 4 4 is 16. 5 is there. Point will be there. 2 pairs will 4 4 and 8. Now we have to divide that number which is divisible by 500. So suppose we are taking 88 8 ja 64. 87 7 ja we can take it. 7 7 ja 49. 7 8 ja 56 and 4. 56 and 4 is 60. This is coming already, means it is coming 86 6 ja. 0.6 ja something will happen. So it is coming 46. 2 into 4.6 we can write. So student, this is 2 6 ja 12. 2 4 ja 8 and 1 9. This is coming 9.2 centimeter square. So we can write it here, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, we can write it 6 plus 9.2, that is coming 15.2 centimeter square. So student, this is coming 15.2 centimeter square. That is the second question. And in the next video we will start third question, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this. Okay student, thank you for watching this video, and you can note these questions in your fair notebook. You can pause the video and you can note it down. Thank you for this student. Thank you.